Have you ever felt that you were called for something greater, but at the same time found yourself waging a silent battle against laziness? If so, know that you are not alone. In this video, I will reveal 5 powerful reasons why the chosen ones secretly struggle against laziness, and more importantly, how to conquer it once and for all. Stay until the end, because the last reason might change your life. First, the call to something greater requires discipline. The chosen ones often feel they have a special purpose in life. However, this calling comes with great responsibility. To reach their potential, they need discipline and commitment. This means overcoming laziness daily to keep growing and positively impacting the world around them. Second, the pressure of self-expectation. People destined for great deeds tend to have very high standards for themselves. They know that laziness can hinder their goals, and this awareness makes them engage in a constant struggle to maintain high productivity and determination. Third, the fear of failure. Many of the chosen ones feel a strong fear of failing. They know their mission is important and fear that laziness could be an obstacle between them and success. Therefore, they are always seeking ways to stay active and committed to their goals. Fourth, the awareness of limited time. One of the main reasons the chosen ones fight against laziness is the realization that time is a finite resource. They understand that every day wasted without action is a missed opportunity, which motivates them to maintain focus and productivity. Fifth, the inspiration to others. The chosen ones are often sources of inspiration for those around them. They know that their example can motivate others to pursue their dreams. To maintain this positive influence, they need to overcome laziness and demonstrate a lifestyle based on dedication and effort. If you've made it this far, it means there is a genuine will to evolve within you. Now I challenge you, choose one concrete action to overcome laziness today. Leave a comment below on which of these reasons resonated with you the most and what you will do to take a step forward. And if this content made sense to you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more insights like this. Now it's your turn to act. Let's embark on this journey together towards our true potential.